Future cast, what's going on
Is this
outside?
amazing weather going to stay with us or
No,
not,
I already know
Carly?
the answer to that.
It's South Texas. Yeah, you should know the answer to that question.
Okay,
Wait
back
5
to the
minutes.
beach.
Surprise.
Wait
Back to
5
the
minutes
beach.
and it changes, right?
Yep.
Anyway, not quite that quickly is it going to change, but by tomorrow we are going to be feeling the humidity back at our doorstep. So right now it is 57 degrees. It is cool. It is pleasant. Grab the jacket as you're headed out the door because it's going to be colder than you expect 57 to feel because we have not been this cold since April 21st. By the way, woo. Here's a look at our satellite radar imagery where we are going to see the cold front that has drifted south. A warm front is going to start to lift back north, and that's what's going to change our weather heading into tomorrow. So even by this afternoon, we're going to say goodbye to the nice humidity hanging out in the 50s. We'll be back in kind of that little sticky category in the mid 60s. And then as we head into tomorrow morning, sticky weather is back. And by sticky weather, I mean high humidity. Instant sweat, 75 for Dew Point, trying to sink back into Rockport tomorrow morning. Here's a look outside, clear skies. That's one of the big reasons why we are in the 50s, as well as our light wind out of the north. That wind does shift back out of the east, stays light though this afternoon, which will make a really pleasant afternoon for us. High temperatures are going to be back in the 80s. Will be 83 Corpus Christi, 85 Alice, 84 Falfurrias. Cloud coverage builds across the islands throughout the day today. Temperatures likely staying in the 70s there for Port Aransas. As far as our low temperatures go, we are back in the 70s near the coast, especially 72 for your low tonight in Corpus Christi. The wind stays a little breezy out of the east-southeast. That's what's boosting our humidity. We'll be in the 60s still for areas inland, but it is the upper 60s. As far as our sweater weather goes, say goodbye to it because we are going to be much warmer into the weekend thanks to this warm front lifting north. However, there is another cold front on the way. This is going to keep our rain chances at about a 20%. We stay isolated. The main forcing for this cold front looks to be more so kind of over central Texas and then up into North Texas. Interstate 35 expected to get some rain if you are traveling north Friday afternoon. Use caution that direction. The front is going to pass through South Texas, but it's going to stall and it's not going to have a huge impact. It will impact where exactly Rafael goes as it makes its way into the Gulf of Mexico. We're going to talk more detail about that storm as we head into the 6 o'clock hour. But right now, there is another cold front possibly on the way for Wednesday, but that's still a little too far out to start talking about or get excited about. For now, we've got temperatures back in the upper 80s Thursday and Friday. Low temperatures not in the 50s anytime soon. So enjoy the cooler weather today. Barbie, John Thomas.
We will.
We will. Thank you, Carly.
No other options.
First edition is